Eleanor Drake advances towards the forsaken psychiatric hospital. The hospital looms, a relic of neglect and decay, its broken windows and overgrown weeds whispering tales of forgotten souls. She pauses to check her camera, a tool to capture the secrets hidden within, and a flashlight, a beacon against the encroaching darkness.
Can you believe this entire video was created with just a single prompt? That's right. No complex editing, no endless tweaking. Just one powerful AI tool doing the heavy lifting. In this video, I'm going to reveal the game-changing AI that makes this kind of high-quality cinematic video effortlessly. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. To create the video, I will use the most powerful storytelling video generator called Magiclight AI. With this amazing AI video generator, you can create 30-minute long videos from just an idea, and the result is amazing. Okay, this is the Magiclight AI homepage. I will put the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Once you are on this page, click on Login and then create an account. Okay, now we are ready to create our video. Here, you will find two options: Story to Video and AI Character. If you want to create videos using a consistent or unique character, then create the character using the AI Character tool first. This is the AI Character Creator interface. Here, first of all, we have to set the name of the character. After that, set the gender. Next, set the category. If your character is not a human, then select Anthro. After that, set the age range of the character. Now we have to set the character style. Here you will find a bunch of options. Just select one as per your needs. After selecting the style, enter the character prompt. You can use the templates. Set the hair, skin, clothing, hair color, accessories, and body type. And you can see the detailed character prompt. Okay, next, if you already have a character, you can use it as a reference. Here, you can upload the face and the clothes. Once everything is set, hit the Generate Image button and then wait for some time. And here it is, the character images are generated and the quality of the character image is just awesome. If you don't like it, you can regenerate the character. Once you find the best image for your character, click on the Confirm button. Okay, our character is ready. Now it's time to generate the video using the character. To do that, select the Story to Video tool. This is the AI Video Generator interface. First of all, set the aspect ratio of the video from here. You can generate landscape and portrait videos on Magiclight. I will go with landscape. Next, we have to set the language. You can generate videos in more than 10 popular languages. I will go with English. After that, select the visual style. There are a bunch of options like 3D animation, 2D animation, realistic, and others. Let's assume I want to make a realistic horror short film, and I think the epic style will be better for me. Once all the settings are set, we have to enter the video idea or script. Here we have two options: Smart Script and Use My Content. If you already have a proper storyboard, then use the second option. Here is one point to note. Magiclight is integrated with the DeepSeek R1 model, which means it has a more efficient engine that can actually create a storyboard. As I only have an idea, I will go with Smart Script. I am entering a video idea. You should mention a detailed synopsis of your story. After that, set the video duration. You can generate a 1-minute to 30-minute long video using Magiclight AI. For tutorial purposes, I am selecting 5 minutes. You can select up to 30 minutes. Once everything is set, hit the next button. Here, you can see that the AI is now analyzing the story. Once the process is completed, it will generate all the scenes or storyboards like this. I think this is a perfect scene description. These are subtitles for every scene. If you click on any scene, you will find the shot description. Now, if you find any issue with the scene, you can modify the scene. Once you are satisfied, click on the Next button. On the next page, we have to select the cast or character. Here you can see that Magiclight AI created 2 characters. Now you can set the character from here. You can click on the AutoCast to select the character. And if you want to create or select the character manually, then click on the Edit Character button from here. Now you will find a vast number of pre-trained characters you can select as per your need. If you want to train your own, then come to the My Character tab. Here, you can see the character we created earlier. Set the character as per your need. You can set the voiceover for every character. Listen to all the character voiceovers and then select the perfect one. Once everything is set, hit the next button. Now, Magiclight will generate the visual storyboard for us. Basically, it will create the images for every scene. It will take some time. So, I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is, our storyboard is ready. You can see that Magiclight AI generates 73 storyboards with images. Now, preview all the storyboard images, and if you find any issues, you can tweak them. This is the first shot of the video. To edit the scene, come to the right side. Here, you will find character, storyboard, and prompt. The storyboard feature is really amazing. Here, you can select a sketch drawing of your storyboard and generate an image like that. You will find a bunch of options. You can even upload your own. Next, you can enhance the prompt to enhance the image. Once you are done, hit the regenerate button from here to create a new image. And here it is, the image has been generated. That's amazing. After generating the image, you can customize the subtitle or voiceover script. After that, here you can change the voice actor. You will find a bunch of options. Listen to some of them and then choose the perfect one. After that, you can add SFX or sound effects. Find and listen to them and then choose the perfect one if needed. For the second scene, I think it's a great image. So, I am coming to the third shot and customizing the image. In this method, preview and customize all the scenes. In the next step, we will animate the scene. Let's start with the very first scene. After selecting the scene, click on the Animate button from here. Now you will find 4 options: Lip Sync, Animate Pro, High-Low AI, and Killing AI. You can select anyone from here. Every tool has different capabilities. For example, I am selecting Killing AI for the first scene. After selecting the model, select the prompt option. Here, you will find 2 options. The first one is using an auto prompt generated by Magiclight, and if you want to use a custom prompt, then select the second option. In that case, you have to use a custom prompt. However, I will use the auto prompt option. Now to generate the video, click on the OK button, and our video is generating. It will take some time. Okay, here's the video generated for the first scene. And it's a perfect video clip. Now, let's animate the second video clip. This time, I will select the High-Low AI to generate the visual. Like before, you can use auto or custom prompt. Once you are ready, hit the confirm button. And here is the second scene video. This is amazing. In this method, you can turn your images into a video clip. If you think it will take a huge amount of time, then you can go with the Animate All option, where you can animate all the scenes with a single click. Here, you will find all the scenes. You can select if you don't want to animate any of them. Once done, click on the next button. Now, select the AI model you want to use, and then hit the confirm button. Now, grab a cup of coffee or do your other tasks. Magiclight will take some time. I am fast forwarding the video. Okay, all of our video clips are ready. Now to move forward, click on the next button. In this step, we have to set some settings. First, the cover. Here, you can set the title of the video and title style. I won't use any title. Next, come to the subtitle tab. Here you can set the subtitle style. You will find some options. Select the preferred one. In the end, we have the BGM. You will find a bunch of options. Listen to some of them and then choose the perfect one. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button from here. Now you have to choose an aspect ratio. After selecting the aspect ratio, click on the OK button. Now, Magiclight AI will take some time to render the final video. So, I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is, the video is ready. Now you can review the video or publish it on Magiclight AI. Let's preview the video.
Under the cloak of night, Eleanor Drake advances towards the forsaken psychiatric hospital. The hospital looms, a relic of neglect and decay, its broken windows and overgrown weeds whispering tales of forgotten souls. She pauses to check her camera, a tool to capture the secrets hidden within, and a flashlight, a beacon against the encroaching darkness. A mix of excitement and apprehension flickers across Eleanor's face as she prepares to confront the unknown. Eleanor hesitantly enters the decaying hospital hallway. the air thick with silence.
This is just amazing. So, now you can create this kind of amazing, high-quality AI video with consistent characters using Magiclight AI. Now, to download the video, click on the download button here. And to publish the video, click on the publish button. In conclusion, if you are a content creator and want to create amazing content with minimal effort, then you should try this tool. As you can try this tool for free, just grab the link from the description and try it yourself. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching.